Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about how we can interface ESP32 to MQTT communication. The way it works is that we have ESP32 as our microcontroller here. What he does, he have to publish and subscribe to the Hive MQTT broker. So MQTT broker is like a central server which is work for the MQTT where ESP32 will be published and subscribed to the MQTT broker, which is Hive. So the Hive website is this. This is a HiveMQ, which is we will connect our ESP32 for a public broker here, which is provided as free. So this is the link here, www.mqtt-dashboard.com. So you see this connect, then we have this broker, we can connect to broker.hivemq.com. We either can use the Ethernet port or we can use the internet. TCP port is on 8883. So how it works is actually we can config from our, go ahead and open this particular object for the MQTT5. I name it as Hive because we connect it to the Hive. So what we does now is actually where it located is we go ahead on this PC and we go our expressive, then go frameworks. ESP IDF version 5 here, examples, then we go our protocols, then we can select the MQTT5 here, then this is actually our folder, but in this case I just copy and paste it, I underscore Hive because we're gonna connect to our Hive MQTT broker. Okay, then my open back my Visual Studio Code, this gonna load up the MQTT5, the default project. So what have here actually is we're gonna config if. So we're gonna go ESP IDF, or we can config it from here actually. So this is our MQTT broker. By default it connect to the Eclipse project.io, but I want to connect it to the Hive here. So I go ahead and copy this URL. It should be works. Okay. Then go to the Visual Studio back. It should be connect to here actually, and now should be work. If I launch my ESP IDF, go to examples, go to respective directories. Here's CD examples, protocols, I will say CD MQTT5, and then with actually CD expressive, CD frameworks, CD ESP IDF version 5.5.1, CD examples, CD protocols, CD MQTT5, which is the folder I created, Hive. Okay, then we go ahead and build this. I already have my ESP32 connected. Go ahead and flash this. So I'm gonna hold my boot button here. So I will let it build the project. Hold the boot button. Generate the IP first, then you connect the respective internet, then you can subscribe and publish, which is successful for MQTT event. We connect it to the respective, which is the Hive broker. So how MQTT works is actually establish a Wi-Fi internet first. It connect to the internet Wi-Fi. Then after it connect to the internet Wi-Fi, the way it transmit message is through MQTT. So once the Wi-Fi is done, you can try to publish and subscribe the MQTT to the Hive broker, and you can see the message was able to successful to send over through our menu config. If you go see my menu config, which I changed just now, is the MQTT broker itself. So I do have try menu config. Okay. This will launch a menu config. Make sure the MQTT is the broker.hivemq.com, then 1883 as the default port. Okay, this is this, and yeah, that's it guys for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and this is just how ESP32 works. We can connect to the public MQTT broker for the testing purpose for MQTT message. That's it guys. Thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.